Good morning, fifth graders. This is the last daily video I'm going to do for you this year, so it's the last time I'm going to be really saying good morning, fifth graders to you. Hope you're having a good morning. Just a couple things to let you know today. Today's the day where you're going to Zoom with all your teachers. If you have me first and second hour, you're going to Zoom with me at 10. If you have me later on in the day, like third and sixth hour, you're going to Zoom with me at 11. From 11 to 11:55. Here are the links, and I'm going to read you a story, and we're going to do a little sharing, and then we're going to play a game. So I'd like you to have a paper and pencil for the game. Now, every day this week, we're going to have, it's not going to really be a brain game math problem like it has been. It's just going to be an attendance question. Easy to understand. You don't have to watch a daily video to know the answer. It's just going to be maybe asking your opinion or having you answer a phrase, answer a question. Something really simple, probably one or two questions. If you have time anytime this week and you're missing some things, please do those and then send me a message that you have it done. So otherwise I don't really see in Schoology when you do things that are really, really old. So let me know. Now, if you're wondering about today's schedule, I have a copy of it. I'm going to post it right here for you. It's on this video. Your parents have gotten an email of it. You probably have gotten a message of it. So you're going to be Zooming with me today, Zooming with Mr. Foster tomorrow. And so first and second hour, 10 o'clock, like I already said, this is going to be our afternoon group. You don't have to come back for sixth hour. So if anything today, you're going to maybe have a fourth hour teacher that wants to Zoom with you or a fifth hour teacher that wants to Zoom with you. And then kind of the same thing tomorrow. Tomorrow you'll Zoom with Mr. Foster here or here, and then fourth, fifth, or possibly sixth, depending on what your schedule is. So I'm just going to show you what my Schoology calendar looks like. So this is what I've posted on yours. So if for some reason you can't find the link, this is probably where your teachers are going to be putting your links. So I'm just going to click on this. This is the morning group. So when I click on this, this gives me the meeting ID, but it's not really something I can click on. If you click on view the item, it opens it up, and now that link, see how it's blue? Now you could click on it and that would take you right to that Zoom meeting. So you might have to do a couple clicks here and there to get to it. I think that's all I have for you today. So hope you're going to be joining me. I can't wait to see you. I hope our game's going to be fun. Think about maybe what you might want to share, because I'm going to ask each and every one of you to share something. Maybe you want to share what you're going to do this summer or what you're looking forward to for the summer. Maybe you want to share how you have felt about our distance learning. Maybe you want to say what your favorite thing was about fifth grade. Not sure. So, but be prepared to share something. We're going to call on each of you. Hope to see you later. Have a great morning till 10 o'clock or 11 o'clock.